Hello, welcome to my channel Busy Architecture. This is Mohammed Azad. I will be appreciated if you like my channel. Please subscribe. And I try to bring some cool things what I feel very interesting and very important. I sometimes create a video for it so other can get benefit out of it. So today I'm going to discuss with you. Again, I'm using the software is called Sketchup Pro, and my goal is take this Sketchup drawing to AutoCAD to step by step create a floor plan, create a elevation, all kind of things. But let's not get to that. What today episode or today video, I'm going to show you three things: how to create their doors, window, and balcony. Let's get started. I don't really need that. I just have it for you to see what I'm going to create. That's why I have that here. I'm going to delete that. So it is deleted. Okay. Here I am right now. What I need here, you to look and observe how do I actually creating doors and everything. Okay. So I'm here right now. Right now, I'm going to start with the shade. So I'm going to create, actually not shade, my bad. It's balcony. I call balcony. I do not know what you call when I'm going to create it and you see it, and then you can call it, it is a balcony or wherever, your language is. I'm from Bangladesh, and we call balcony, and I don't know, you have a different name, that's fine. So let's not talk too much. Let's do that. So I'm going to select rectangle tool from here, and then I'm going to create a rectangle here, and I'm going to create a rectangle here. From here I'm just going to use my tape tool, and I'm going to go 210 or maybe 200. Let's do 240. It's 240. That's better. And take it from this way, 15. I set it up this model from the beginning is a centimeter, so I'm continuing with centimeter. If yours is not centimeter, please go to the window and go to model info, and you can change the units as a decimal. Centimeter precisions is right here, so you can actually do that. Now go back to the rectangle. Here is your rectangle, and create that. Very simple. You know what is follow me tools. You need to use the follow me tools to create that shade. So you need to select those lines. I'm just holding my shift key, and then just going to select. If you accidentally select, like the face, just double click back again, it's gonna be deleted. So now you select the path. When you using the follow me tools, this follow me tools will take this rectangle and going around the path. So it's done. Now as you can see, it created, right? Perfect. I don't really need that right now, so what I'm going to do, I'm just going to click, I'm just going to erase that. I don't need anymore. Okay. and I have it here, I need to do the same thing in here. All right. How are you going to do it? Same thing, same idea, and same concept. Go ahead here and go 240 centimeter. And then from here, you need to go in 15 centimeter. Now you have a 15 centimeter and here. Okay, excellent. Go find your rectangle. You can go to your keyboard. You hit that R means rectangle, or you can go to the icon and click it rectangle. Either way you can do it. So I'm going to go click it here, and I'm going to create the rectangle one more time here, and I need to create one more is right there, so it's 2. What I have to do it here now, I need to just go select that these. Like I said, I need to select the path. So this is the path I'm selecting. Now I'm going to get my follow me tool, and then I want to follow. That's it, is done. Okay, I do not need all the guides. Whatever the guides I have it right now, I can erase it 2 different way. I can go to my eraser tool, I can do this, and do that. That will, one way. Another way you can do it, let's put it back. I'm going to do undo that, and then I'm going to put it back all those guideline. Or other way you can do it, you go to edit and see delete guides. One time you hit this button, all the guides is gone. Okay, you don't need that. Okay, so you get, I'm just doing some cleanup. So while I'm talking to you, if you can do that, not a problem. Okay, let's see. Now here we did the shade. I said I'm gonna, now this is the way you can create your shade. Use the follow me tool and use some path. So follow me tool can follow that path to create that. Okay, this is a very helpful tools and very unique tools, do some creative works. Now I'm gonna select this face, and then I'm gonna take my move tool. When you using the move tools, one thing you remember, you not have to click it in the face to move it. You can click it anywhere, and then you can move it, right? Not a problem. But don't forget to click control. That will bring a copy of this face, right? So here I am right now. Now I'm going to use my tape measurement tool. I'm just going to go ahead here, and I'm going to take 5 centimeter here, and then from here I'm going to go 75 centimeter, and then I'm going to go 5 centimeter again, and this way I'm going to take 5 centimeter, and then I'm going to do is 50 centimeter, and I'm going to do another 5 centimeter here. You will see why I'm doing it. I'm going to create some doors. Okay, and from here I'm going to go 210 centimeter, and then I'm going to be let's do that. Okay, let's go back. So yeah, now I have to do 5 centimeter here, so it's done. Now from here I'm going to go 210 centimeter, and I'm going to do another 5 centimeter here, and I'm going to do 20 centimeter right here, and another 5 centimeter here. I'm sorry, this is okay. Let me zoom in 5 centimeter. Okay, perfect. From here I'm just gonna come up in 80 centimeter up, right? And I'm going to do another 5 centimeter. Beautiful. Now what I need to do, go get my rectangle tool, and then I'm just gonna go and do that. Beautiful. And these are my windows, so I'm just gonna select it like that, and I'm sure you get the idea. So I wish I can do it a little bit faster, but you know, that's fast I can go. I cannot go more than that. So I'm just gonna erase all those things I do not need it. Beautiful. See that? Now my bad. Okay. You got to be careful what you are actually erasing it. You don't accidentally erase something you really needed, you know. So now what you have to do, just click this one, this face, and hit shift click and that face, and grab your move tool, and then grab it from here. Don't forget to hit control key on your keyboard to make a copy, and move this one a little bit this way. Whether I'm moving it right now, if you have a 3-wheel mouse, you know, you can hold your roll key, you know, press it down, and the same time you have to click shift. So when you do that, let's see, if I this one, when I will I just press it, it give me to use the orbit tool. You can orbit it like that, and when you hit what do you call roll key, press it down, and same time if you press the shift key, you will see the hand tool come. So you can just do that. All right. I'm not sure I did make sense to you what I just said. You know, if you have a 3-wheel mouse, there is a middle, there is a roll button is there. You just roll to zoom in, and roll back to zoom out and zoom in. That's it all. And if you press and hold in this button, you will see the orbit tool. When you see the orbit tool, and the same time if you pressing the shift key, you will see the hand key. Then you can just move it like that. Okay, let's go back to the things. Now I do not need all those faces right now. I like to actually erase that. I don't really need that. Now this one I do not need it either, so I'm gonna erase that. All right. What I have to do here, I'm gonna bring my push pull tool, and then I'm gonna bring this one 15 centimeter, and this one I want to bring it like 10 centimeter. Same thing, I'm gonna do it here also. I'm gonna bring in 15 centimeter, and then this is gonna be 10 centimeter. And push pull tool is very smart. It's understand the last activities. So if you can press it and double click it here, that will do the same thing. Okay, I think we were pretty much done. We understand how to do that. Now we're gonna now create this door. I'm gonna push pull this one, like I will say 5 centimeter, right? It's 5 centimeter. Yeah. Now when you do in 5 centimeter, now you need to do offset. I want to do, what is offset? I want to do 10. Yeah, 10 is offset. I do 10 offset, and then I'm going to do another 1 centimeter offset, and I'm going to push pull it by 1 centimeter. Okay, I'm going to do push pull it 1 centimeter. Wonderful. I have to do the same thing in other side. Hopefully if you already know that, fine, perfectly. I'm doing the people who wants to know how we do all those things. Okay, now I'm going to use the offset tool. As I said, my offset was 10 in other side. I'm going to do the same thing, and I'm going to do another 1 centimeter, and I'm going to push pull it. This one is 1 centimeter. Excellent, this is done. Let's come back here. I want to this one offset by 7. Let's do that. Offset this one 7 centimeter, and then we need to find a tape tools, and then we're gonna middle point it, and then I need to find the middle point for this one. Like I said, there is no such rules, you need to follow, but if you know how to create a doors, do it your way. You don't have to follow my okay, good. So I'm just gonna what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna go 1.5 this way and 1.5 that way. Great. Now same thing, I'm just gonna go 1.5 centimeter, and I'm gonna go 1.5 centimeter this way. Now I don't need to create a rest. What I have to select that, and then I have to get my move tool, and I'm just gonna grab it from the middle, and I'm not gonna forget to hit control, and then I'm just gonna cut my hair, put it in here. Same thing, you grab it here, control, you go right there. Okay, perfect. So what do you need to do now? You need to grab your rectangle tool, go just right there, click and click and click, another click. That's it, you got it. Like I said before, you can erase all those guidelines, just going to edit and delete all the guides. You're done. Now you need to find your eraser tool and erase all unnecessary things. You do not really need it. You need to actually you don't need to have all those things. So clean it up. While I'm doing it, you do the same thing. Okay, I'm not sure this is important for you or not, but some people really need to know what is going on here. So let's get the push pull tools. I'm going to go 3 centimeter, and this one I'm going to bring 1.5 centimeter, and then I'm going to just double click it. Just double click it. Beautiful. This is done. What I need to do now, I need to just get my pin bucket tool, right? Make sure my pin bucket tool is selected, and I need to go into glass and mirrors. As you can see, all the drop down and all the materials and everything is here, but I need to have a glass and mirrors. Okay, now when I have that, I'm going to choose it doesn't matter what you need, just this glass. Okay, just click it here. Beautiful. And here too, right? What do you need to do after that? You must group it. So go select it, right click, make a group, and do the same thing with others. Group it and Group that. Is it not fun? Yeah, it is a fun. Group it. Now I need to grab this one, come right here, and control, I have to come here. That's it. And same thing. Get my move tool, pick from the corner. Beautiful, it's done. Now one more time I'm going to group that. Right click and group it. Right click and group it. Beautiful, this is done. Now what I need right now from here, I'm gonna be put all my doors and windows, and you already know how to create door and windows. I'm gonna leave it here for today, and I'm going to continue with my tutorial next my episode or next my video. That will be a continue, building that models, and I'm going to take you step by step. Certain level you will be expert with the Sketchup, and it is going to be going through AutoCAD, which is, if you are not familiar with AutoCAD, this is a Autodesk industry level software all architect and engineer using it. Thank you so much for watching, and hopefully you like it. If you did like it, please don't forget to subscribe, and thank you again.